How do you know if it's time to refinance? Let's take a look at this particular scenario. So in this case, it was a $395,000 loan amount. The interest rate they were being quoted was 5.375, which translated to a monthly principal and interest of $2211.89. However, they were being charged 4% of the loan amount, which is $15,800, just in points to obtain that rate of 5.375. In this case, we're looking at a veteran's loan. So the nationwide average today is 6.3, yet our client has been sent an offer for 5.375. 5.375 has a principal and interest, as we saw in that loan estimate, of 2212 versus 6.3 has a principal and interest of 2464. Let's calculate if it's worth paying $15,800 in points. What's our return on investment here? So as you'll see, the note rate of 5.375 has a principal and interest, so that's a payment before taxes and insurance, of $2211.89. Whereas if we use the going rate, which is say 6.3 right now, 6.30, and that translates to a principal and interest of 2444.94. Let's do the math. At 6.3, the principal and interest is 2444. At 5.375, the principal and interest is 2211. So that's a difference in monthly savings of $232. So naturally, lower interest rate has a lower payment, but does it make sense? So at $15,800 in total cost for that rate, they save $232 a month. And when we calculate the return on investment, it takes them 68.1 months to break even on this refinance scenario. Then what we have to ask ourselves is, will I be living in the property, or will I even be in this same loan for the next 5+ years? And it's very unlikely at this point, given where rates are today, that most people are going to be in the same loan that they have presently. We'll probably see a refinance boom again in the next few years, and you'll probably never have realized the savings. So at this time, I would not recommend this scenario and refinancing for this client.